Add a printer to your HP Connected account. On your computer or mobile device, go to hpconnected.com/sign in. Enter the email address associated with your account, and then select Next. Enter your password, and then select Sign In. If you already have a printer associated with your account, select Add Printer. Otherwise, the Add Printer screen loads automatically. Enter the claim code from the Printer Info page that printed when you enabled web services on your printer. The printer code is only valid for 48 hours from the time it prints. If it has been longer than 48 hours, print a new info page. If you do not know how to print a new info page, try the guided tour to assist you. With the printer code entered, select Add to start using web-connected printing services.